It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 19th of December. I'm Michael Groff. Glorious weather around here for the next couple of days, near seasonal temperatures, dry conditions, but we will be turning sharply colder by the end of the week. The coldest temperatures we've had so far this season coming on in here, in fact. But what about the Christmas forecast? Everybody wants to know about that. And do we have any chances of rain anytime soon? Well, let's dive in and talk about it. 67 degrees, the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 46. And outside right now here at 6:15 a.m., we are under clear skies, starting the day out at 45 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 39. Humidity 81%, the winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning, there's mid-30s in the coolest spots, mid-40s for most of us here in central Phoenix. It's currently 42 degrees here in Arcadia, where I do these videos from. And the water vapor satellite view, we've got a little short wave that's moving out of the southwest states and into the central plains. That'll bring showers and thunderstorms to that area. Around here, a dry northwest flow. The watch warning map, plenty of wind advisories out here in the west, including parts of northwest Arizona, up around Mojave County, the Kingman area, Bullhead City, Lake Havasu City. Could be windy today, up toward Las Vegas, certainly some wind. Winter weather advisories and winter storm watches and warnings up through the Intermountain West, the Northern Rockies, and out into parts of North Dakota. In the southeast, it's all about fog. Dense fog extends from central and east Texas all the way through Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Georgia, and Florida. Visibilities in some spots are near zero this morning. On the convective outlook, a marginal severe weather risk today extends from around Waco east toward Tyler, Texas, College Station, Shreveport, and Jackson, Mississippi. And rainfall around here for the next 7 days coming off the WPC. Absolutely nothing for us here in the valley. Maybe a little bit of rain and snow up in far northern Arizona and heading toward the Four Corners region. Our persistent dry weather pattern continues, and we'll get into why that is right now as we explore the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 18,000 feet. Nice cold upper trough heading into the Pacific Northwest. Down here in the southwest, a dry northwest flow. And at the surface, mostly sunny and a beautiful day. You wish you could just bottle this up and save it for the middle of July. Highs this afternoon, 66 to 69. Get out, have lunch outside, take a walk. It'll be perfect. Tonight, clear skies, lows upper 30s to mid 40s. Tomorrow, just a little bit warmer. Highs could touch 70 degrees, maybe even get into the low 70s in some of the warmest spots. But the winds are going to be picking up as that trough begins to approach from the north and west. A windy day for northern Arizona, southern Nevada, southern California, and points north and west from there. And here we go to Thursday. Could see an isolated rain and snow shower, as we've mentioned, in far northern Arizona. But here in the valley, a mostly sunny day. Just a few high clouds passing by with this front. And it'll be breezy with a northwest wind around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Highs only in the upper 50s. We think somewhere between 57 to 59 for Thursday. And then Thursday night and Friday morning, the coldest night we've had in a long time around here. Lows low 30s in the cool spots, and I wouldn't even be surprised to see one of the high desert spots just outside the valley getting into the upper 20s. We should be in the mid-30s in the mid-city. You might want to cover up those plants or take the really sensitive plants inside if you can on Friday morning. And then the high on Friday with mostly sunny skies should top out in the upper 50s once again. Saturday, low 60s for the high, another cool start to the day. Sunday, we should start the day out in the mid-30s to about 40. Highs, low 60s. This is Christmas Eve. Looks pretty nice. And Christmas Day could be a bit breezy, but overall not going to be bad. Highs generally in the low to mid-60s, which is right about what you'd expect around here on Christmas Day. Just a perfect afternoon. The European is a bit cooler than that. It has highs in the mid-50s on Christmas Day. I don't think it's going to be that cool. Either way, temperatures at or maybe just a couple of degrees below average. Looks perfect. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 26th of December. A little short wave approaching from the northwest, but otherwise it looks dry around here. High temperatures mostly in the mid-60s. Here's Wednesday, the 27th. A little short wave slides through here. I don't expect this to materialize into a whole lot. Maybe an isolated shower someplace, but looks like a pretty dry passage with this. It'll cool temperatures off back to about the low to mid-60s perhaps, but even at that, I don't think it's going to cool us off too much. And then here is the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Thursday, the 28th of December. Pretty cold upper trough coming into the Pacific Northwest, and that could ultimately impact our weather by late next week, but way too far out and no real model consistency to follow with that. All right, let's check the temperatures coming off of the GFS Ensemble through the period, and yes, we will be cooling off late this week. See, it's got us down in the mid-30s for the lows. And again, the cool spots in the valley will be down around the 30 to 32 degree mark. So some spots are going to be below freezing, and there could be a frost. So watch out for that. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is going to come back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have a tremendous Tuesday.